Exercise 1.2 first main, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Means here answer is given, now you have to find the question. Means right side number is given, integers is given, now you have to find the left side integers. Means here we get different type of answer. Here we get different type of answer because answer is minus 7. Question means minus 5 minus 2 also. Minus 5 minus 2 could be a one pair of answer, or any other minus 18 plus 11, different answer we get. Okay, any one minus 5 minus 2 answer is minus 7, or minus 18, or we can say minus 18 plus 11. Minus 18 plus 11 means how much? Minus 18 plus 11 means minus 7. So it could be a pair of sum is minus 7 means it could be a pair minus 5 minus 2 or minus 18 plus 11. Now next B, difference is minus 10. Write down a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. So here answer is given in left side answer is given. Right side answer is given. Now we have to find the left side one. Right side one is given minus 10. Minus 10, any two integers after addition or subtraction answer is minus 10. Here we get different type of answer. Okay, minus 40 plus 30. Okay, minus 40, one could be one pair is minus 40 plus 30, or minus 40 plus 30 is minus 10. Minus 5 how much? Minus 5 also minus 10. So different answer you get, or minus 6 minus 4, minus 7 minus 3. Okay, a pair is could be a minus 40 or 30 or minus 5 minus 5, any one you can write here. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0 now. Here also we get different answer, minus 5 plus 5, 0. Answer is given 0. So right side one is given. Now you have to write the left side one. We get different answer, minus 5 plus 5 or minus 6 plus 6 or 30 minus 30 plus 30. Any different answer we get here. One could be, one pair of could be minus 5 plus 5 or minus 30 plus 30 or minus 6 plus 6, minus 6 plus 6, then only it become 0. Now exercise 1.2, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7, difference is 10, minus 10, sum is 10. This is over. Similar type is second one. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Means after addition or subtraction answer is 8. Plus 4 plus 4. A similar type how we did the first main. Then second one, write a negative integers and positive integers whose sum is minus 5. So minus 10 plus 5, positive negative, minus 10 plus 5, answer is minus 5, or any other answer, minus 15 plus 10, or any other answer you can try. Try any other answer and see also write negative integers and positive integers whose difference is minus 3. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Here first one, closure under addition. We know that addition of two whole number is again a whole number. For example, these 2 is a positive whole number, whole number. 17 plus 182, answer is 199. Then 3 plus 8, answer is 11. So sum of any two whole number is always an whole number, and which is a whole number. This property is known as the closure property for addition of whole number. Again, this property is true for integers also. That is, the sum of two integers is always an integers. In previous example, this is whole number. Sum of any two whole number is always an whole number. So under closure under addition. Now integers. Integers means whole number with positive and negative numbers. Means minus 30 plus 20. Minus 30 plus 20 means answer is minus 10. Positive, negative and positive whole numbers, and minus 10. This is also negative numbers. So minus 30 is the integers, negative integers, positive integer and negative integers. So sum of any two integers is always an integers. The property true for integers also. There is a sum of two integers is always an integers. One more example, minus plus 30 and plus 20. Both are positive integers now. Plus 30 plus 20, answer is 50. So sum of any two integers is integers. Both are positive integers. Answer also positive integers. Now next property is closure under subtraction. Closure under addition over. Now closure under subtraction. If we subtract two integers, then their difference is always an integers. If we subtract two integers, then their difference is always an integers. For example, subtract 7 minus 8, answer is minus 1. And minus 1 also an integers. Positive and negative number. Integers means 0, positive number and negative number. So 7 is positive number, minus 8 is negative integers, and minus 1 is negative integers, and this is positive integers. If we subtract two integers, then their difference is also an integers. We cannot find any pair of integers whose difference is not an integers. Always addition or subtraction of integers, we get an integers. So we cannot find any pair of integers whose difference is not an integers. Since subtraction of integers gives integers, we can say integers are closed under subtraction. Some more example. If we subtract any integer, integers means positive or negative numbers. Minus 8 minus 14. So how much? Minus 8. Minus into minus is plus 14. So this is a positive integers. This is negative integers. This is positive integers. Answer is 6. 6 is a positive integers. Okay. So sum of any. So it means minus 8 plus 14, answer is 6. Both are integers. Subtraction of integers gives integers. We can say integers are closed under subtraction. Now next property is third one, commutative property. This is very important property, children. Commutative property, associate property, and distributive property. This you have in 8th standard, 9th, and even I think 10th also. Commutative property. Commutative property means in a equation, just we have to reverse it. If letters or numbers are given, means just we have to reverse the number. For example, 8 plus 3 is there, means left side we have to write in right side. 8 plus 3 means 3 plus 8, that's all. The whole number can be added in any order. In other words, the addition is commutative for whole number. Means here this is not meaning of commutative property. Just to understand, in commutative property means just reverse the number. For example for commutative property, x plus 5y, x plus y, this is given. What is the commutative property of x plus y? Answer is y plus x. Just reverse. Okay, y is first, then x is next. Now one more example for commutative property. A plus b equal, what is answer? Yes, reverse it. B plus a. A plus b equal b plus a. Then one more example. 3 plus 5 equal, what is the commutative property? 5 plus 3. Yes, correct. 5 plus 3. 3 plus 5 means 5 plus 3. This is a number. This is a variable. Now next, one more example. 6 plus 5. Commutative property under addition. Now 6 plus 5. Answer is 5 plus 6. So commutative property means just reversing the numbers or letters. Okay. Just reversing numbers or letter. X plus y will become y plus x. A plus b is given. What is the commutative property of a plus b? Means equal to b plus a. This we have to write. 3 plus 5, then 5 plus 3. Just reverse. 6 plus 5 will become 5 plus 6. Now next is fourth one, associative property. This is also very important. This is associate property you also have in 8th standard and 9th standard. Associative property only changes in the, this is not a meaning, just to understand. Associate property means only changes in the bracket or number. Now only changes in the bracket. Number or letters remain the same in the both the left and right side. Okay, only changes in the bracket. For example, associate property means associate property always in a trinomial, and commutative property in most of the time in binomial. Associate property in a trinomial. Example, associate property means a plus b plus c, trinomial. This is given. And here also same, left and right side both the side same letters or numbers. Okay, associate property in a trinomial, always in trinomial, a plus b plus c in a left side, and this is in right side, a plus b plus c. Only changes in the bracket. Associate property, how to find which is an associate property, which is in commutative property. Most of the time commutative property in binomial numbers. Now associate property in a trinomial, and left and right side numbers or letters are the same, only changes in the bracket. Means if bracket for second number means here bracket for first number. Okay, letters are same, one of the same in both the side, only changes in the bracket. That is example, first example. And second example, now second example, x plus y plus z, and right side same letters, y plus z same variable, x plus y plus z, here also x plus y plus z. And if bracket for first two numbers means here bracket for second and third. Understood? First right and left side, both the side the numbers or letters are one and the same, only changes in the bracket. Okay, and one more example, minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2, okay, equal, again same number, minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Okay, now if bracket for first two numbers means here we have to put bracket for second and third numbers. Okay, then one more example, 3 plus 4 minus 6 equal 3 plus 4 minus 6. If bracket for 3 plus 4 means here bracket for 4 minus 6. Okay, only changes in the numbers are one and the same in both the side, only changes in the brackets.